morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. How are we doing today? I have had a migraine for a week now. But anywho, let's move on. We are back in the wonderful world of farm life. It's been a while since I've played, so I need a little reminder of what we were doing last time. So let's just see where our little Annette Pierce is today. Oh, we're still at the rattle juice. We might want to go home from that, huh? That would be very helpful. Yikes. Okay, so, update. I got Discovery University vampires and vintage glamour stuff. Will any of that help us in this series? Yes, it actually will. Because Discovery University has something called a sit-in class. But it's $250. So if we get $250, we can send little Annette Pierce to a class on gardening. I'm currently recording outside, so you'll hear the birds chirping and all that, because finding a quiet space in my home is like finding a raccoon in the middle of a desert. So yeah, it's like 9:50, and no one's awake yet, so if someone wakes up in the next 15 minutes, I am screwed, and this episode will be a waste. It is a Love Day. I thought we already went over Love Day. I think I tried recording once and then everything just didn't save. So, this might be a Groundhog Day. I really need to watch the last episode to see what the crap we did. So, since it's Love Day, we are going to try to find us a day 8. Yes, like, it doesn't have to be end game, but we can sure as crap find the date somewhere. Let's have her take a nap. So, the goals of Love Day, why am I saying that so weird? I do not know. She wants to give flowers, she wants to go on a date, and she wants to have romantiage spirit. Oh, he's cute enough, I guess. What do you guys think? Is he cute enough? Is he cute enough? Why am I being so weird? I do not know. So yeah, let's wake up. We're ignoring your needs for now. We're gonna go flirt. F-L-I-R-T. Eat some chips. Ah, boo. We suck at flirting, apparently. Let's try to talk him up and then flirt again, because apparently initial flirting does not work. Oh, and we're in a group chat, so that never helps anything. We only want to talk to this dude. He does not like pizza. This guy is definitely not endgame. Discuss food flavors. Discuss fitness techniques. Are we just gonna like fall out of the stool? Or is she gonna like get up, walk around, and then fall asleep? Ah, very efficient. Walk behind the counter so the guy doesn't see you. Pass out. Are we gonna try to go on a date with Bob Pancakes? Do we want to do that? Fan? We don't have any fans, do we? Good. Oh, Judith Ward is here. I like noticed it, but then again I didn't. How can we make her mood better without... Okay, so as long as we just talk to this dude, because we want to... Okay, he's going to the bathroom. Let's just go home, and we'll invite him over to our house. Let's call it a house. Make us sound a little bit better off than we are. But anyhow, let's just send her home. Oh, she wants to chat with Bob Pancakes. And now we're going home. She needs to go home. We have caused enough damage. So, shout outs for today go to JKJ and Calls. Both of those are weird names, yes, but we love you all the same. We're really close to 40 now, which is weird. 40 is an awesome number. I mean, my mom's past 40. Obviously. Oh yeah, update. 2 new people moved into my house, and now I live. Oh wait, I think I said that in the last video. But anywho, yes, this is our house. I thought we had a bed. Oh, these aren't in season. No. Oh my gosh. We're screwed. Oh, who are you talking to? He looks relatively cute. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Who are you talking to? At least my camera works now. See? Thing. Oh, he's an adult. Could you be endgame? Question mark. No, don't walk away from me. Okay, good. He's running toward us like a bad Hallmark film. He doesn't like us. Why? Let's evangelize, Evangelica, whatever. I'm not talking today. Well, I am, but I'm just not, like, good at talking today. Why does he hate us so much? He's cute, but he has a horrible personality. We're trying to make this work. Okay, something. Okay, he just left. Yeah. Wasn't expecting that to go anywhere. Oh, we need a bed? Isn't there a bench somewhere? Oh, yeah. Discovery University has bikes, so we might get her a bike leader. Matters how I feel about it. Let's have her take a nap. There's no way we're getting a date, huh? Let's go on a date with Jeff for land grab. Give us all your money. Oh, strawberries are in season. I'm just kind of like chilling out. Go get the strawberries. You're annoying. This chick is annoying. Go get those strawberries. Let's go back to our cubicle. Why would we prank our own toilet? So guys, what do you guys want this series to turn into? I've had a couple ideas. I guess mainly because I've been watching a lot of other Sim series. And like, I've been watching a lot of the BuzzFeed multiplayer 100 Baby Challenge. The Kelsey and Peaches. And Peach, I'm just gonna say the same name. A Peaches May. Yeah. Why aren't they having the romance? Bradley Pierce, but Bradley Pierce is married to Pizzazz. Could we do that to her? Oh, we can't. We're in such a bad mood. He really wants us to go places with him, huh? Maybe he can be our date. Do you think Annette's at that point where she does not care what she does anymore? Like, I bet. Poor girl. Poor girl. Sorry you guys haven't had an episode of Farm Life in a while. I've just been on a run to guess. And my HP battery has went from hero to 0. So, that's a life statement right now. Oh yeah, and May the 4th be with you, everyone. It is May 4th for me, and, you know, that's National Star Wars Day. Whether that's official or not, May the 4th be with you, May the 4th be with you, and all of that type of stuff. I've also been watching another series called Oh My God, It's a Girl! And it's about a girl who plays first-person shooters, and she records a bunch of the weird stuff guys say when she's on groups. And it's just like, yeah, that's why I will never touch first-person shooters. I refuse. I play MMOs anyway. I'm more of an MMO girl. I'm playing Ore Kingdom 2 right now. Why do we want to... Okay. She's taking a very long shower. So... Oh my god, come over! You are... I mean... We can't refuse going to the land grabs now, can we? And it's Bradley Pierce. I mean, Bradley Pierce is even kind of desperate. So... It's annoying. We're trying to play this the right way. But... It's so hard. I mean, she's never in a good mood. And that means we can never do farming. And seasons just made it worse. And I knew it would make it worse, too. That's why I did it. But thank you for inviting us here, Bradley. We're embarrassed. Wait, why can't we flirt with you? No, wait. Oh, I forgot this was her dad. I am so sorry. No, they tricked us into seeing our mom. I mean, we can talk about the sunny weather. That seems like something you'd do at an awkward family gathering. Let's chat with Santos. Do you think they would get in a big argument? Like, oh, maybe her family's trying to convince her to come back home. They're like, oh, we really wish you would come back home, sweetie. Please reconsider coming back and studying law. Look, I mean, you're passed out on the floor, sweetheart. You should really come back home. Maybe they're talking about ways to get her back. He's like, she lives in utter garbage. We're gonna chat up, Santos. Yeah, we're just gonna, like, I don't know. We are going to go to commands and we're gonna teleport. Oh no, so yeah. The family, let's have her talk to her mom. I'm just making sure, like, nobody comes out here because someone just woke up and they're walking around. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to throw away this entire thing, you know? But I do think that excuse me, Santos might be our end game, maybe. Making me feel you wanna feel good. So this is gonna turn into a awful love day. We all saw it coming. But we can make it a not so bad day. Let's make him flirt with us. Let's see how that goes. Can we do that? I don't know. I'm just messing around. This episode is going to be another episode of no progress. Except we did collect the strawberries. So I guess we can call that progressive. I might need to start posting this more than once a week. We really suck at this. Well, I do. You're not actually playing this game. Oh, we're not going to kill our main character. The Sim 2 World Sim. Santos, we want to teleport to Santos. No one, no one, no one, making me feel what I feel. No one, no one. I can't even find him. What? Where? Oh no, where are we teleporting? Are y'all up for watching a long video? Cause like I could end it here. I mean, we haven't done anything, but I mean, we are at that 15 mark, and that's usually when I end episodes. And we really need to get some progress. Who did we teleport to? Okay, I mean, we can say hi to you. I didn't mean to teleport you. Who you? Where are we? I've never been in Brightchester before. Wait! That's the, one of the college guys. Say hi to the college guy. Go say hi. He might be our future man. It's not Santos. Santos? I don't know if he likes us. Yes, let's... Okay, so she is not funny. Self-deprecating joke. Maybe we should level up her funny skill. Her comedy skill. Oh dear, this is not going well. Let's try a couple more trade communications. Let's horribly sing about Love Day. Oh. Alright. So I'm gonna end this here. My dogs are going crazy. She's finally making a friend. And that's good enough progress for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I record every other week and sometimes weekly if I feel like it. Thank you for watching, and this has been another useless episode. Bye!